All right, good morning, room 32. It's good to see you guys today. Today's lesson is module 12.9, 3D objects comparing prisms and pyramids. All right, we don't have any slides. We're going to go right into the step-in discussion and take it from there. Okay, so first of all, what do you know about this object? All right, so look at this carefully and think about some things you know about it. Okay, would this be a prism? Yes, it would be a prism. It has faces, has edges, has vertices, the plural vertex. Okay, has how many vertices are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Use a colored pencil to trace over all the edges. How many edges are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Let's double check and make sure I did that right. I'm going to go put some numbers beside it, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4, 5. On the bottom, we have 6, 7, 8, and we have 9 coming down. Okay, so you can use a colored pencil or a crayon to do this at home. Okay? And how many faces does the prism have? Let's count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, to below 4, and on the bottom 5, or in the back, I should say. Okay? And we're able to count them by pointing to each one at a time. So look at each object below. How many vertices, edges, and faces does each have? So look at them very carefully and go ahead and count those. I'm going to give you a moment to do that. So I'm going to put a little set of clues here. We're going to call this object A and this object B. So for object A, we're looking to identify, let's go like this. Object B over here. So we're looking to identify vertices, edges, and faces. Okay? So this just helps us to organize our data by using a little table. Okay, so vertices, we have 1 on top, 1 in the back. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. How about faces? 1 in the back, 1 on the side. On the other side, that's 3, 4 in the bottom, 5. Oops, that's faces, sorry. How about edges? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one has 8. 8 edges. Again, on the back, 1, 2, on the side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, object B. How many vertices? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many edges? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how many faces? 1 on the back, 2 on the side, 3 on the back, 4 on the bottom, 5. Okay? So that's a comparison of those two objects. So when 2 surfaces meet, they make an edge. When 3 or more edges meet, they make a vertex. When there is more than one vertex, they are called vertices. All right. Now, in the lesson today, guys, what you can do is you're going to be comparing different objects, okay, different 3D objects. So you're going to compare and look at these three at a time. Let me get to a single page here and zoom in. Okay, so it says, use the real objects to help you complete this table. The base of each object is shaded. Now, you probably don't have 3D objects at home, so what you can do is just use the pictures to help you. So you're gonna count the number of faces for each one of these, and then that's gonna be on the first row, and the number of vertices on the second row, number of bases on the third row, and then finally number of sides, the number of sides on base. Okay, so the base is the shaded area. Okay, oops, get my arrow here. So the shaded area, the shaded area, and the shaded area. Okay. All right. I will be online later on in our Zoom time to help you with this. You're going to be asked to write a question. Let's look at the information on the table on page 458. Write about the patterns you noticed. Well, a couple sentences there. You're comparing three more objects, same thing that you just did. Then writing a little couple sentences here. And then finally it says, think about a pyramid that has a hexagon as its base. How many faces, edges, and vertices and edges does it have? Right? How you figured it out. So a little explanation of how you did that. All right, guys, best of luck. I will see you later on. That is what I have for you today.